In this video, I will be showing you how to access Copilot from the Edge address bar. Let's get started. First, I move my mouse cursor to the top right corner of the browser window and click on the Copilot icon. A side panel opens on the right side of the screen displaying the Copilot Assistant window, ready for interactions. Next, I click inside the prompt text input field located at the bottom of the sidebar panel, which says, Message Copilot or mention a tab. I type a detailed request asking it to recommend 20 free AI tools that can save hours of work every week, specifying that it should explain what each tool is best used for. Once the prompt is fully typed, I press Enter or click the Send Arrow button to execute the query. Copilot immediately begins processing the request. A disclaimer message appears letting me know that Copilot is an AI and may make mistakes. Shortly after, the assistant generates a structured response. It starts with an introductory sentence and then presents a well-organized breakdown of the recommended tools, grouped neatly into specialized categories. The first category generated is writing and content creation. It lists powerful tools like Claude by Anthropic, ChatGPT by OpenAI, Google Gemini, Grok, and Notion AI, highlighting their specific use cases like analyzing long documents or drafting summaries. The next category listed is image and design tools. Copilot recommends DALL-E 3 via ChatGPT, Flux by Black Forest Labs, Leonardo AI, Canva AI, and Gamma, explaining their strengths in visual generation and creating presentation slides. Following this, the assistant populates the coding and development section. It highlights tools such as GitHub Copilot Free, Claude Code, Cursor AI, Replit Ghostwriter Free, and Codium, detailing how they assist developers with code autocompletion and debugging. Next, under the Research and Knowledge Management category, Copilot outlines Perplexity AI, Notebook LM by Google, Elicit, Descript AI, and Napkin AI, noting their utility in factual research, academic search, and audio transcriptions. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.